Hello dear students, today we will discuss one more topic regarding our analytical ability logical reasoning part. The topic name is alphabet test. Aksharamala paina samasyalo antam. Alphabet test. Already if you remember in previous sessions we have discussed two chapters, that is letter series and coding decoding. In this letter series and coding decoding we assigned some numbers to the alphabets. What does it mean? A equal to 1, B equals to 2, C equal to 3 and so on. Okay, like that we assigned some numbers to the English alphabets which are having 26 letters. Okay, in that A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. This part already we have seen. Okay, regarding this alphabets only, now we will discuss one more topic, that is alphabet test. Okay, there are 3-4 patterns are there, 3-4 types are there. We will discuss each type by taking some examples. Okay, let us start first type. Before going to start the questions, remember you must have an idea about the numerical numbers of English alphabets. Means A means 1, B means 2, C means 3, D means 4, E means 5 and so on, X, Y, Z, like that. Okay, you must have an idea about all these numbers. Okay, now we will start the first type of questions regarding alphabet test. Okay, question as follows. See here, observe here. First type is about arranging the given words in alphabetical order. He may give 4 words or 5 words or 6 words. So recently in our tspsc examination, in AE examination, this type of questions are asked. Arranging the given words in dictionary order. Okay, so now there are he given 5 different words. So what are here, meaning is not necessary. You need not to know the meaning of that. You need not to know the pronunciation of that. Okay, simply what you should know is how to arrange the given letters or how to arrange the given words. Okay, usually for example in dictionary we see that all letters will starting with A, then again AA, again AB, again AC, AD, AE and so on, AX, AY, AZ, and again AB, and again AC, and again ABA, ABAB, again ABAC and so on, like that. So dictionary order will follow. Here he given 5 different words. So first word is about what? First word is qualify, and second word is what he given? Quarter, and third word is what he given? Quarrel. Here meaning pronunciation is not required, remember. And next word is what he given? Query, and next one is what he mentioned? Quaver, Quaver. Here spelling is very important. Okay, now if you observe here, in all the given 5 words, all are started with a QUA only. QUA, QUA, QUA. You have to eliminate all the common letters. My intention is I have to arrange the given all the words in dictionary order. There are 5 letters he given, 5 he may give, 4 he may give, 6 he may give. Out of these 5 letters, you need to eliminate all common letters. In all the given 5 words, QUA, QUA, QUA and QA. This is common. So next letter in first word is what? L. Next letter in second word is what? R. Next letter in third word is what? Again R. Next letter in fourth word is what? Again R. Next letter in fifth word is what? V. Right after QUA. See, observe here, interesting part. QUA, 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 QUA. This part is common. So next here, qualify he mentioned. We will take better. Qualify. Next quarter he given. QUARTER, QUARTER. Next QUARREL. Next given QUARRY, query, and finally QUAVER, QUAVER. See, interestingly, QUA, 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 QA. This part is common. Okay, so now we will focus on remaining what? Remaining letters. Here remaining is L is there. Here remaining R is there. Remaining R is there. Remaining R is there. Remaining V is there. See, according to alphabets, first which one you will get? Will you get V or will you get R or will you get L? Obviously L or V. Out of these letters, next what you get here? L only you will get. Hence, so first term, if you will number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will assign numbers. Out of these 5 words, first what will come? First word itself will come, because QUA common, next L is there, R is there, R is there, R is there, V is there. Out of these, first you will get the only L. After L, you will get the R. After R, you will get the V. That is the procedure. That's why first I am getting what we can say, qualify. Secondly, anyhow V won't get, because before V, what will come? R will come. Now we will focus on these 3 words, quarter, quarrel and query. Focus on this. So here again R is there, R is there, R is there. So whenever R common, you need to focus on next one. You need to focus on next one. So what does it mean? QUAR, QUAR, QUAR. So next what will get? Next you will get T you will get, R you will get, again R you will get. Okay. So R is there, T is there. Will you get first R or T? Obviously will you get R only. That's why you can ignore this. Now again we will focus on this. QUARR, QUARR. So next Y is there, next E is there. Will you get E or Y? Obviously we will get E only. That's why third word will come first. After third word, you will get the fourth word. After fourth word, obviously you will get the second word. And finally QUAV. So hence this is the order of the given words. What is the order of the given words? 1, 3, 4, 2, 5. This is the order in dictionary order. Okay. I repeat this first question because most of you are aware, but still I need to focus on this. QUA, eliminate all the common letters. Eliminate all the common letters. Okay. So L is there, R is there, R is there, R is there, V is there. Out of L or V, first you will get only L. So L to only one name kabatti, you will get first letter, first word will come first. Then out of remaining four, V is there, R is there. Obviously we will get the words starting with R. So QUAR, QUAR, QUAR. Next T is there, R is there, R is there. Will you get T or R first? Obviously R you will get. So out of these two, QUARR, QUARR. Next E is there, Y is there. So obviously we will get E. That's why second word must be E. After E we will get Y. That's why next one is 4. After this R we will get T. That's why next one is what we can say 2. And after completion of this, finally we will get V. That's why the dictionary order is 1, 3, 4, 2, 5. I hope you understood. One more question based on alphabetical order, arranging the given words into alphabetical order. So second question is what? Language, right? He given the word language. Better we will take the words. Language, LANGUAGE. And what about the given second word? The given second word is laurel. Spelling is important. LAUREL. LAUREL. And the next third word. Third word is leisure. 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 And next one is lapse. 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 And the next one is leave. 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 So this one, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. See, observe here. Now we will arrange all these words into dictionary order. First of all are not starting with all are starting with L, right? Starting with L, starting with L, starting with L, starting with L, starting with L. Now we will focus on next letters. So here next letter A is there, A is there, E is there, A is there, E is there. Okay. Now tell me, will you get A first or will you get E? Obviously you will get only A. That's why we will focus on LA. We will focus on this first. LA. After LA, since LA is common, you have to focus on next word. Next letter is how much? LAN, LAU, LAP. See, tell me, will you get N or U or P? Which one will get first here? Obviously, after LA, next one is LAN, because N means 14, U means 21, whereas P means 16. So obviously you will get 14 one only. That's why in dictionary first you will get language. After language you will get lapse, right? After language you will get lapse. After lapse what will get? You will get laurel. Okay, that is second one. After arranging these three, next term LE is there, LE is there. We have to arrange these two. LE common, and next letter here is I, next letter here is I, A. If next is common, again we will go with next letter. If that is also common, next letter. So it's simply, ultimately, you have to eliminate all common letters. After eliminating all common letters, so which letter is come first? That word you should take it as the first word in dictionary. Okay. So here LE, LE, I is there, A is there. Both are different. Will you get A or I? Which will get first? Obviously A will get. That's why LEAVE. Next word is leave, and finally what will get? Leisure you will get. Hence this is the dictionary order of the given words. Okay. One more question based on alphabetical order. Just focus on this. Next word, first word what he mentioned? External given. Okay. We will take rough word. External. Okay. And what about second word? Second word is given extraordinary. Right. Second word is given extraordinary. The spelling of this is EXTRAORDINARY. Ordinary. Okay. Next one is extraction given. Right. Next, extraction given. Spelling is important. You can ignore what you can say pronunciation. Right. After extraction, next what he given? So he given extra. He given extra. So after extra, next what he given? Next word is, final word is extremist. Right. Extremist. So EXTREMIST. EXTREMIST. These are the 5 words what he given. Again, see, the one thing is clear. You have to eliminate all common letters. So here EX, EXT, 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 EXT common. Okay. Now we will focus on next letter. Next letter, here E is there, here R is there, here again R is there, again R is there, again R is there. Tell me, will you get first R or E? Obviously, we will get first E only. After E, then only you will get R. That's why, so first you will get external. So first word out of these 5 words in dictionary, first will come external. After this, next R is there, R is there, R is there, R is there. So here EXTR, 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 EXTR. Just focus on remaining words. Remaining letters are A is there, A is there, A is there, here E is there. Tell me, will you get E or A? You will get A, you will get. After A only, you will get E. That's why EXTRA, EXTRA, EXTRA. So here O is there, here C is there, here nothing is there. Since nothing is there here, extra will come first. So after this extra, next what is there? O is there, C is there. Will you get O or C? First you will get C only. After C, next you will get O. That's why, so first you will get the third one, then only you will get the second one. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously, next one is what here? EXTREMIST. Extremist you will get. The order of these 5 words is 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. This is the order of the given words. Okay. I hope you understood arranging these given words in dictionary order. He may give 4 or 5 or 6, whatever. Okay. Option 1, you will give like this. Option 2, you will jumble the numbers. Option 4, jumbling numbers. Option 5, jumbling numbers, and so on. However, you have to find out the correct order of the given words in dictionary. I hope you understood this. One model in alphabet test, that is arranging the given words in dictionary order. In that you must follow only one procedure, that is you have to eliminate all common letters. Okay. If first letter is common, then you have to go for second letter. In that second letter, which letter will come first? If in all the given words, if second letter is also common, then you should go for third letter. If that is also common, then fourth. In that fourth letter, which letter will come earlier? Okay, according to English alphabets. If that is also common, you should go for next letter, and so on. Okay, you have to follow this procedure every time to arrange the given words in dictionary order. It is very simple. We used to refer dictionary every time. You will come across all these things anyhow. Okay. Now, second type of questions in alphabet test. See, observe the question as follows. He given one word. What is the given word? Necessary. Right? He given the word necessary. And what is the given question? If first and third letters. See, first of all, write the given word necessary. N-E necessary. N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y. Okay, so this is the given word necessary. Just observe here, NECESSARY. Just allocate the numbers, not English alphabetical numbers, just randomly give some integers. So what does it mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So he given 9 letter word. Out of that, what he asked to find? He asked to interchange first and third. So he asked to interchange first and third. Okay, and similarly after first and third interchange also the fourth and sixth. He asked to interchange the questions fourth and sixth. Similarly again he asked to interchange the letters 7th and 9th, right? 7th and 9th letters. He asked to interchange all these letters positions in the given word necessary. Okay, then after this interchange, what he asked to find? He asked to find which letter would be the 7th letter from the left, right? So which letter would be the 7th letter from the left? So left side nunchi aa word lo vache 7th letter edi annadu. So now accordingly 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7 and 9 will interchange these letter positions. So 1 and 3 I need to interchange. So 1 is N, 3 is C. NC can be written as what you have to write? CN you have to write. Okay, so he didn't say anything about 2. That's why second letter position is as usual. He didn't say anything about the second letter. That's why that position is as usual. Okay, this part is finished. Next, fourth and sixth. Fourth and sixth. So that's why now we'll focus on fourth and sixth. Fourth one is E, sixth one is S. So ES you should written as SE. 4 and 6 also interchange. There is nothing he mentioned about fifth letter. That's why fifth letter S is again as usual. So then again 7th and 9th. He asked to interchange 7th and 9th. So AY can be written as YA. And he didn't say anything about 8th letter. That's why 8th letter R is as usual. Okay. Now in the given word necessary, I interchange 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 accordingly. Now, so this is, let's say this is complete sentence, the complete word this is. So here this is left side, this is right side. What he asked to find? He asked to find what letter would be, which letter would be the 7th letter from left. Which letter would be the 7th letter from left? So we have to find out the 7th letter from left. So 2, 4, 6 and this is. So Y is the 7th letter from the given word necessary. After arranging the, or else after interchanging the given letters in the word accordingly, I am getting answer is how much here? Y. Y is the letter which is 7th from the left. I hope you understood. Based on this model, we will discuss one more question about this. In previous question, he given the word necessary, whereas in this question, he given the word depression. Okay. First we will write the given word depression. So D, E, P, right? So D, E, P, R, E, S, S, right? S, S, I, O, N, I, O, N. This is the given word depression. This is the given word depression. Just simply first allocate the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So depression, the given word depression is 10 letter words. 10 letter word. Now, so question is what? What he asked to interchange? If the first and second letters in the word depression, first and second letters in the word depression are interchanged. He interchanged first and second letters. Okay. So 1, 2 kasta 2, 1 ga rasaadu. And also third and fourth, the fifth and sixth, third and fourth, the fifth and sixth, and so on. What does it mean? He interchanged 1 and 2, right? So he interchanged 1 and 2 and third and fourth. He interchanged third and fourth and he interchanged fifth and sixth. So he mentioned and so on. So he is interchanging in that way. So means every two letters are interchanged. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, every 2 pairs. Every pair of letters are interchanged in that. So now After that interchange, then what he asked to find which letter, or else what would be the seventh letter from the right. What would be the seventh letter from the right? In previous question, he asked to find out the seventh letter from left, but whereas here he asked to find out the seventh letter from right. Yes, so we'll interchange the given letters in the word accordingly. So DE you have to written as ED, because he asked to interchange every two letters, 1 2 2 1 3 4 4 3. So PR means what you will get, RP you will get. Similarly ES means SE you will get, SI means IS you will get, ON means what you will get, NO you will get, and so on. He interchanged 1 2 first and second, third and fourth, fifth and sixth, and so on. Now, so this is the new word. This is the new word after interchange. So this is from left side, this is from right side. He asked to find out the seventh letter from right. Seventh letter from right. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Therefore, what you can say, the seventh letter from the right in the given word is what you are getting, P we are getting. From left means from left, from right means from right. Like this, one word will be given. So for that, one word will be given. For that word, he asked to interchange something. Either sometimes he interchange only even letter words, sometimes odd letter words, sometimes what you can say composite, sometimes first half will write in reverse order, or sometimes second half in reverse order, or sometimes so first letter with last letter, second letter with preceding letter, and so on. Second letter with fifth letter, like that he asked to interchange. So we have to identify the condition in the given question. So by using the condition, we have to apply the condition to the given word, and accordingly middle letter or sometimes however middle letter or seventh from left or seventh from right, and so on. So whatever he asked to find, we can find out very easily. Remember, you need to have a good idea on instructions, how he asked to interchange. Follow that, then definitely you will have a good command on this. What I can say, type in alphabet test. Now we will discuss some other models. Now one more type in that alphabet test. See, question as follows. What he asked to find, he given one sequence of letters given. So he asked to find out how many D's are there. He asked to find out the D's. How many D's are there with some instruction. What is the given instruction? So how many D's are there in the following series which are immediately followed by W? How many D's are there in the following series which are immediately followed by W but not immediately preceded by K? So this is the given sequence. K D C W K D W N K G D W W D H K V V D W Z D W. So he asked to find out how many D's are there which are followed by W but not preceded by K. The meaning enti, followed by W means D tarvata W ravalata. How many D's are there which are followed by W but not preceded by K? Ante, so D tarvata W vastu D ki mundu K lenatuvanti D'li enni unnayi antunnadu. So he given sequence of letters he given. So in that sequence of letters he asked to find out how many D's are there which are followed by W but not preceded by K. So means indirectly DW you have to get, but before D you should not get K. So identify all these. Here D is there, but this D is not followed by K. This D is not followed by W. You can skip that. So this D is followed by W only, but it is preceded by K. You should not proceed with K. That's why we should not take this D and we should not take this D also. Okay. And the next one, see, observe here, this D is followed by W but not preceded by K. That's why GDW. That word also you can take. And the following sequence, complete sequence. So this next after W, again what is given? Again W given, right? So after G, D, W, again E given W. Okay. So W, again this D is not followed by W. So this D is followed by W but not preceded by what you can say K. And after D, W is there. So this D is followed by W but again it is also not preceded by K. So what does it mean? how many D's are there in the following series which are followed by W but not preceded by K. Like that, how many we are getting? Simply we are getting 3 such D's. Like that. So not only D, sometimes we ask you to find W also or K also. How many K's are there, or how many G's are there, how many W's are there, how many V's are there. But he asks you to, he'll give some conditions. Followed by something, there are 4 ways. Followed by something, preceded by something, followed by, should not followed by this, should not preceded by this, or followed by this, should not preceded by this, and should not followed by this but preceded by this. Like this, there are 4 different models are there with even numbers, odd numbers. See, interestingly, here he given letters because our topic name is alphabet test, because we are discussing about this what you can say sequence with alphabets. Sometimes sequence is having numbers also, numerical numbers also. He will give 0, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this he will give sequence also. That is said to be conditional sequence. So in that conditional sequence he will say like this also, how many 7s are there which are followed by even number but not preceded by odd number. I hope you understood. Since this is about alphabet test, we are discussing about alphabet. So instead of alphabet test, sometimes he may give the numerical numbers also. Numerical number, he will give a big series, big sequence. In that big sequence, what he mentioned, how many let's say 5s are there which are not followed by odd number but preceded by a composite number. So however, okay, by using the given conditions he asked you to find out, and that kind of series is called conditional series or conditional sequence we can say. Okay, so this is about letter sequence, because our topic name is alphabet test, will focus on this. Okay, this is the procedure. So again, question is follows. What he asked you to find? He asked you to follow, or he asked you to find how many A's are there. In previous question he mentioned this, now whereas A's, how many A's are there in the following series which are immediately followed by B, which are immediately followed by B, and next what he mentioned here, as well as immediately preceded by Z, followed by B and preceded by Z. I repeat, he asked you to find how many A's are there, how many A's are there which are followed by B, right? So which are followed by B as well as preceded by Z. సో ఏకి ముందు జెడ్ ఉండాలట, ఏ తర్వాత బి ఉండాలట. అలాంటి ఏస్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి అన్నాడు. హౌ మెనీ ఏస్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ సిరీస్ విచ్ ఆర్ ఇమీడియట్లీ ఫాలోడ్ బై బి, విచ్ ఆర్ ఇమీడియట్లీ ఫాలోడ్ బై బి అండ్ ఆల్సో preceded by Z. See, observe here. So here A is there, this A is not followed by and even it is not preceded by something. So you can ignore that A. So observe this A. This A is preceded by Z but not followed by B. You should not take that also. So now observe this A, it is not followed by B. Observe this one, it is followed by B only but not preceded by Z. So ఇక్కడ A ఉంది, A తర్వాత B ఉంది కానీ A కి ముందు Z ఉండాలి, అలా లేదు. So you can ignore that. Now focus on this A. Yes, this A is followed by B and it is also preceded by Z. A తర్వాత B ఉంది, so A కి ముందు Z ఉంది. So now again focus on this. See, if you observe here, it is not followed by B. Okay, you can ignore that. Now again what about this? So it is not followed by B, not preceded by Z. You can skip that. Similarly, if you observe here, followed by B, preceded by Z. And similarly, if you observe this Z, followed by Z, no. So if you take this, followed by B, preceded by Z. So how many such A's are there? Simply by observation, 3 A's are there. 3 A's are there which are simply followed by B, again preceded by what we can say, preceded by Z. Okay, like this some conditional letter series you will give. By using letter series A or Z or P or Q, ask you to find, you have to locate this. Okay, sometimes you can take in this way also. It doesn't mean that for example one letter follows like this, Z A B, Z A B, let's say Z A B I am getting, Z A B, Z A B I am getting. Okay, so Z A B is one thing and Z A B is also another thing. Sometimes he will say like this. So Z A B, for example, let's say here A B Z. He will say like this. How many A's are there which are simply followed by B? How many A's are there which are simply followed by B? How many, or else how many A's are followed by B, preceded by B. I repeat, how many A's are there? Followed by B, preceded by B. సో అలాంటప్పుడు Z తర్వాత B ఉండి Z ముందు కూడా B ఉండాలి. అలా ఉన్న A's ఎన్ని అన్నాడు. సో ఇక్కడ A is followed by B but not preceded by B. So you can skip this. So this A is followed by B, preceded by B. So you are getting one thing. So for example, if we will take like this, here also for example, let's say BAB is there, BAB. So now you can overlap in this also. You can overlap in this way also. You can overlap in this way also. Okay. I hope you understood this concept. So like some instructions will be given. According to instructions, you have to follow the, you have to find the given letter, either D or Z or something else. Okay. Now we will discuss next model in this alphabet test. Okay. So now one more model. Just now we have seen conditional sequence of letter. So now he given some other model. What he asked you to find? The question is follows. Which letter is exactly midway between the G and Q in English alphabet? I repeat, which letter is exactly midway between the English alphabets G and Q అన్నాడు. సో దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్లో జీకి మరియు క్యూకి ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మిడిల్లో ఉన్న లెటర్ ఏది అన్నాడు. ఓకే, ఐ రిపీట్, విచ్ లెటర్, సి క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ క్లియర్, విచ్ లెటర్ ఈజ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ midway between G and Q in English alphabets. Which letter is exactly midway between G and Q in English alphabets? So usually మనకు ఆ ట్రిక్ తెలియకపోతే ఏం చేస్తాము అంటే we write the complete alphabets. So what does it mean? If I don't know any trick, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P and what you can take? Q you can take, right? So from G to P, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. But what he asked you to find, which letter is midway, means which letter is exactly middle in between G and Q. So ఈ G కి మరియు Q కి exactly middle లో ఉన్న లెటర్ ఏది అన్నాడు. So just count all the letters. If you will count all letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many I am getting? I am getting total 11 letters. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So when I am getting 11 letters, remove first 5 letters and last 5 letters. So simply remove first 5 letters and last 5 letters. If I remove this first 5 and last 5, which letter is exactly in between, what you can say, G and Q, I am getting L letter. So if you will observe here, in between G and Q, we are getting only few letters. That's why by writing all letters, we can exactly find out the middle letter between G and Q. So if not, sometimes he may mention the question like this, which letter is exactly midway in between the letters? For example, B and Y. So B and Y, in between B and Y, many letters are there. So writing all the letters in between B and Y and finding exactly what you can say middle letter in between B and Y. So you may get, but it's some what you can say time taking. So to avoid that, what we will do is we will follow some other procedure. So instead of doing this one, we will take some other procedure. So let's say this is type 1 part and we will discuss now type 2 part. So type 2 part is simply he asked to find out which letter is exactly midway between the letters G and Q. So G means how much there here? G is equals to 7 and Q means how much here? 17. We know already this numbering. G means 7, Q means 17. Now find out the mid letter. So to find out mid letter, what you have to do is simply 7 plus 17 by 2. 7 plus 17 by 2. So 24 by 2. 24 by 2 means what I am getting? 12 I am getting. Therefore, in English alphabet, what we can say? 12th letter is exactly in between G and Q. So whatever the letter he will give, A and B will give, B and Y will give, or X and what you can say, Z will give, or what we can say I and T will give, whatever the letters. First you have to take the corresponding numbers. So here G and Q is there. G means 7, Q means 17, and applying finding half of that, I am getting 12. So hence 12th letter in English alphabet is what I am getting? L I am getting. So this is the procedure. But sometimes all the letters, all the given questions need not have the middle letters. What I mean to say is, when I am counting all these letters, I am getting 11 letters. Since it is odd number, see I am getting from G to Q, total I am getting 11 letters. Since it is odd number, I can able to find out the exact mid letter. Okay. For example, instead of 11, 10 are there, or instead of 11, 12 are there. So what does it mean? If even numbers are there, then which letter is exactly midway between the given letters means the answer is simply, so nothing is there. So we cannot find out exactly middle letter. If only number of letters are odd, then only we can find out exactly middle letter. Okay, we will take 1-2 questions further, you will get some idea. See, observe here, in previous question he mentioned G and Q, whereas now what he mentioned here, which letter is exactly midway between the letters, what he given, K and V given, right? So K and V. Now K and V means K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, right? K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Okay, we can write like that. And in that we have to remove some letters from both sides. We have to remove same quantity of letters from both sides. So we can find out the exact middle letter. So if that is general procedure. But now here we are going to find out in different way. K means we know already. So here K is equals to how much there? 11. Similarly, V is there. V means how much here? 22. So K means 11, V means 22. Just now I told you all the questions need not have mid letter between the given letters in English alphabet. Okay, so this is that kind of question. K means 11, V means 22. Earlier G means 7, Q means 17. 7 plus 17 by 2, 24 by 2. Half of that is simply 12. But whereas here what we can take, 11 plus 22 by 2, 33 by 2. 33 by 2 means how much I am getting? 2 ones are 2 16s are 16.5. Now tell me, is there any other letter in English alphabet which is indicating 16.5? No. What does it mean? So here simply we say that answer is not possible. It depends on the given options. Answer is not possible or none of this, etc. It depends on the given options. 4 options will be given, but what I meant to say is it is not possible to find out the exact middle letter between K and V, because here I am getting 16.5. So indirectly what is the concept here involved is in between K and V. If I will count all the letters in between K and V, obviously you will get even numbers. So since I am getting even numbers, so no letter will be exactly in between the given letters of alphabets. So if I will get odd numbers only, then I can eliminate same quantity of numbers from both sides. Therefore remaining number will be exactly in midbit. So for this question, not possible or none of this, etc. It depends on the given options. Which letter is exactly midway between the letters? What are the given letters here? J and X he given. So he given J and X. Same procedure. Procedure is same. Even number, odd number, odd number, even number, odd number, even number. Okay. So in that way. Now which letter is exactly midway? Which letter is exactly midway between J and X in English alphabet? Okay. So we know one thing is clear. J means how much here? 10. Similarly, X means how much here? 24. We know assigning all these numbers. So J means 10, X means 24. Even number. So even number means, so it is possible. 10 plus 24 by 2. 10 plus 24 by 2. 34 by 2. 34 by 2 means what I am getting? 17 I am getting, right? So 24 plus 10, 34. Half of 34 is 17. So what is the 17th letter in English alphabet? So it's obviously Q. Therefore the letter Q is exactly in between the letters of what? J and X in English alphabets. So even number means possible. Odd number also possible. For example, 7 is odd number, 70 is odd number, I am getting some even number. So even number, I am getting some even number. So in both the cases possible. So one number is even, another number is odd, then it is not possible to find out the exact middle letter between the given letters of English alphabets. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we will take one more question. The given question is what? Next question. Which letter will be 6th to the left? See, observe here. Which letter will be 6th to the left of the 19th letter from the right end of the alphabets? 19th to the right end of the alphabets. So to solve this kind of questions, first of all, we need to have a small note. The note follows like this. For example, left plus left he will give. Left and left he will give. It's not plus, left and left, and sometimes right and right, sometimes right and left, sometimes left and right. he will give like this. Okay, so whenever he mentioned left and left, simply you have to find out subtract. Whenever he mentioned right and right, again you have to subtract, simply minus. So whenever he mentioned one is right and another is left, then simply you need to add both. Okay, the procedure how means we will discuss. There are questions are there based on this concept. Whenever you will get left and left, you will take minus. Right and right means minus. Right and left or left and right, simply what you can take here, plus you can take. So this question is based on this concept only. So what is the given question? Which letter will be sixth to the left? See, observe here, sixth to the left. Keep in mind, which letter is sixth to the left of 19th letter from the right. 19th letter from the right. 19th letter from the right in English alphabet. దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? ఆంగ్ల అక్షరమాలలో కుడివైపు నుంచి 19వ అక్షరానికి ఎడమ వైపున గల 6వ అక్షరం ఏది అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, అది ఆ క్వశ్చన్ యొక్క మీనింగ్. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి, ఆంగ్ల అక్షరమాలలో కుడివైపు 19వ అక్షరానికి ఎడమ వైపున గల 6వ అక్షరం ఏది అన్నాడు. సో అలా కంప్లీట్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్ రాసేసి దాంట్లో 19th letter from right, then 6th letter to that of left అని చెప్పి ఫైండ్ చేస్తే it may take more time. That's why this can be solved simply by using given conditions. Left and left means minus, right and right means here we can take what, again minus. Left and right, right and left means simply we can take plus. So here one left is there, one right is there. What you have to do? We have to add 19 plus 6. 19 plus 6 means how much I am getting? 25 I am getting. See, one interesting thing is, since this question is in English, if it is in Telugu, there is no issue. You may get the idea. Since the question is in English, what here second part is there in terms of left or right. So this is there in terms of right. So see, observe here. It's what you can say. It's one kind of symbol we can say. Okay. If it is in Telugu, there is no issue. But unfortunately, we are going to face the question in English. So whenever you may face that kind of question, you need to focus on second part, inner part of that second part, centric part of that sentence. So here what is there? Right side part is there. That's why, so here in second part is right, you have to follow the order. In the given question, first left is there, then right is there. That's why left, right. For example, right means right you can take, or left means left, right we can take. See, simply what I mean to say is, left means take left first, then right. Right means first take right, then next one is right, or left one is left means left. Okay, you have to follow simply order. And in second part, if it is right, you have to find out the 25th alphabet from right side. Okay, so now it is by observation. It is not possible to find out the 25th alphabet in English. So what does it mean? A means 1, B means 2, C means 3, D means 4, and so on. These all the letters are I am assigning. D means 4. Is it from left side or right side? Means D is equal to 4 is from left side. For example, P is equal to 16. P equal to 16 means from left side. For example, T means 20 from left side. All the numerical numbers what we assigned is from left side only. But what he asked to find indirectly in this question, he asked to find out the 25th letter from right side. Okay, by observation, it is not possible to find out the given letter or 25th letter from right side. For example, which letter is 16th letter from right? Means I can't say. From left means it is very clear 16. From right means again there is a procedure. The procedure is, see, there is a formula. Left side number plus right side number equal to 27 you will get. Left side number plus right side number is equal to 27 you will get. So what does it mean? For example, P is the 16th letter from right. I have to find out the 16th letter, sorry, P is the 16th letter from left. I have to find out the 16th letter from right. What I will do to get that? I have to subtract that from 27. 27 minus 16. 27 minus 16 is 11. Hence, 11th letter from left is K. So, 11th letter from left is K, or 16th letter from right is also what I am getting? K we are getting. I hope you understood. So, if it is left, 25th letter from left, what you can say? Y we can say. But unfortunately, we have to find out the 25th letter from right side. To get the 25th letter from right, we need to subtract from 27. 27 minus 25, what I am getting? 2 I am getting. So this 2 is from left side. So what is the second letter from left? B. So second letter from B, second letter from left is equal to 25th letter from right. Both are equal. Hence the answer for this question is equals to what I am getting? B I am getting. We will take one more question so that you will get some idea. Okay. So what he asked you to find, this observe here. Which letter will be 12th letter to the 12th letter to the left data? Which letter is 12th letter to the left of 17th letter from the left end? 17th letter from the left end. Okay. I repeat the question once again. See what he asked you to find here. Which letter will be 12th letter to the left of the 17th letter from the left end. So in this case both are left only. Since both are left, what you have to do? Simply you have to find out minus. Both are right also minus, both are left also minus. So 12th, yeah, indirectly small number, big number minus small number. Difference we have to find simply. Forget about minus and all. Okay. So 12 letters minus 17 letters. How much I am getting? 5 letters I am getting. See, observe here. This is left, this is left. That's why you will get simply left only. Fifth letter in English alphabet. Fifth letter from left side. Indirectly, fifth means what will get here? E you will get. For example, think that instead of left in the question, in both the case he mentioned right. For example, 12th from right to 17th from right to. What you will do? 12th right to minus 17 right to. How much you will get? 5. 5 will you get from left or right? From you will get from right. Okay. Again, to find out the fifth letter from left, what you have to do? Subtracting this from 27. 27 minus 5. 27 minus 5 means 22. 22nd letter in English alphabet is V. Hence, V is 22nd from left or 5th from right. Hence, the answer is what you can say? V. If it is right, both right. But in the given question, what he mentioned here? Both left mentioned. So, both left means 5 I am getting, this 5 from left. So, fifth letter from left is E. For example, this is right and this is left. Again, you will get left only. I hope you understood. This is right, this is left. What you have to do? You need to add these two. Add these two. Since here I am getting left, you need to take left. Okay. So, I hope you understood this model also. See, the next question is given like this. The first and 26th, right? The first and 26th, comma, second and 25th, comma, third and 24th letters of English alphabet are paired. See, observe here, first and 26th, second and 25th, third and 24th letters of English alphabets are paired. So, paired means what? First and 26th are paired, 2 and 25th are paired, 3 and 25th are paired, and so on in English alphabet. That is the meaning of the given question, right? Then what he asked you to find, which of the following, see he given 4 options, right? He given 4 options. Which of the following pairs are correct? Which of the following pairs are correct? So now we will take all the options. First option, second option, third option, and fourth option. So what are the given options here? First option is G or E given, and second option is CW given. Third option is IP given, and fourth option is EV given. So how he paired? First one with 26th one, second one with 25th one, third one with 24th one, fourth one with 23rd one, and so on. Like that he paired. See, if I am adding all these, what I am getting? 27, right? If I am adding all, what I am getting? 27 I am getting. So you will have an idea. If you know this concept, the meaning involved in this concept is expressing second half of the alphabets in reverse order concept. Expressing second half of the alphabets in reverse order concept. What does it mean? A to Z, BY boy, CX crux, DW, EV, okay, FU for you annam, GH Gandhi Tata annam, HS Hyderabad Secunderabad annam, IR JQ, K, what you can say, KP annam, okay, LO, MN, and so on. That is the procedure. So now when the pair is like this, so now what will get? G means T you have to get, but what he given? R he given. So now C means crux you have to get, X you have to get, but W given. IP, I means R you have to give, Idli Rava annam, R you have to give. So EV means evening. Hence the answer for this question is equals to what we can say, EV you can say. If you have a previous knowledge, letter series coding and decoding, we have seen this what we can say concept, expressing second half of the alphabets in reverse order. So in that way only he formed the code. Okay, I hope you understood this also. One more different concept in alphabet test, final part of this alphabet. What he mentioned here, study the following information carefully and answer the questions. Study the information carefully and answer the questions. So he given the sequence RE5, DAP, dollar symbol, 3TIQ7, 9B, ash, 2K, percentage, U1, MW4, star, J8N. Like this he given some numbers, alphabets and some signs on computer keyboard, symbols on computer keyboard given, ash, dollar, okay, star and all, percentage and all. Okay. Now this is the conditional sequence. One question he mentioned, answer the following read the information carefully and he asked you to find out the answer for the given question. Enta given question, which letter is exactly in the middle? Which letter is, see the question is which letter is exactly in the middle between 3 and 1 in the above arrangement. So in this arrangement we have to find out the middle letter exactly between 3 and 1. 3 ki 1 ki exact ga middle lo vache letter edi annadu. Okay, which letter is exactly in the middle between 3 and 1 in the above arrangement. So now, so here 3 is there, here 3 is there and here 1 is there. See, observe here, 3 is there, 1 is there. We have to count all the numbers. Just count all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See, I am getting total 13 letters from 3 to 1. 13 means remove 6 from this side, remove 6 from this side. So 6 means 7th letter will be the exactly middle letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, this 7th letter B is said to be the exactly middle letter in between 3 and 1. Therefore, the answer for the first question is equals to what we can say, B we can say. So now we will discuss about second question. Second question, what he asked you to find, that series is same, the series is same, but what he asked you to find, how many such numbers are there? See, we have to find out the numbers. How many such numbers are there in the above arrangement? How many such numbers are there in the above arrangement? Each of which immediately preceded by a consonant. Immediately preceded by a consonant. So here number we have to find. This number must be preceded by a consonant, right? And but not immediately followed by a consonant. But not immediately followed by a consonant. Okay. Here consonant you have to get, but here consonant you should not get. Such how many such numbers are there? See, we will focus on only number. This is number. Is this number followed by consonant? Yes, but this number should not be followed by consonant. That's why you should not take this. Now here 3. 3, is it followed by consonant? No, but it must be preceded by consonant also. 3, is it dollar, is it consonant? No, you should not take this also. 7 is preceded by consonant and but not followed by consonant. See, observe here, Q79, 7 is preceded by consonant. This number 7 is preceded by consonant, yes, but not followed by consonant, because here 9 is given, it's not consonant. So one pair is what I am getting, Q79. And the next one, so 2, it is followed by consonant, should not follow. And here 1 is followed by consonant, but should not be followed by consonant. So next observe here, fourth number, it is not followed by consonant, but preceded by consonants. Yes. So W4 star and Q79. How many such numbers are there? 2 numbers are there which are preceded by a consonant but not followed by a consonant. Okay. I hope you understood this concept. This is also some kind of what you can say, conditional sequence concept. So I hope you understood this model also. So these are the different models we have seen in alphabetical test. Okay. Just focus on English alphabet numbering, A1, B2, C3 and so on. Numbering you must aware, and apart from the dictionary order and left right, this model. Okay. And some conditional letters given, conditional sequence of letters will be given, not numbers, conditional sequence of letters will be given. He asks you to find out any one particular letter followed by something, preceded by something, or not followed by something, not preceded by something. Okay, in different ways you will ask. Okay, so just practice more number of bits, definitely you will get the good concept on this chapter. It's very simple. We have seen letter series, coding, decoding, so like this also this topic is there. Okay, or some word will be given, he asks you to interchange the letters of the word 1 and 3, 5 and 6, like this. You have to interchange, and he asks you to find out the exactly middle, or 7th from right, or 7th from left, and so on. So these are the models we covered in alphabet test.